Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over my experience as a beginner with using NordVPN. With reports that companies like Facebook and Google collecting people's activity online and selling it to advertisers, it's not too difficult for anyone with malicious intent to build a detailed profile of any users online. It got me thinking if I should hide my online activity. Would it make a difference, and would I feel more secure? I decided to try out NordVPN because of their reputation as one of the top 3 VPN providers, and also the 30-day money-back guarantee. Keep watching this video if you want to know if I decide to keep my NordVPN after my 30-day trial. Let's dive in. Using a VPN is a great way of getting around restriction on content that's not available in your location, and it's also a great way of keeping your internet traffic private and away from companies like your internet service provider or any advertisers. As of March 2021, these are the pricing available for NordVPN. You can probably find more coupons available on the internet if you search around. No log policy and have been independently audited to confirm their no log policy. 5400 plus server. Extra protection feature like double VPN, split tunneling, cybersec, kill switch, obfuscated server, DNS leak test, onion over VPN, and many more. Nord links, Nord proprietary protocol, which is based on WireGuard. OpenVPN, well-known open source protocol. IKEv2, protocol ideal for switching between Wi-Fi and data on mobile device. When I first opened NordVPN, there's a privacy policy, and here I get to decide what information I want to share with them. So I'm just going to agree to the required. And then afterward, you actually have the choice of either using the preset or you don't have to use it. You can just select not now and then just start off with blank. And the very first thing I see is a map. I need to first log in before I can use the VPN. After logging in, I can start exploring the map. The map itself, when I zoom out and started moving around, doesn't feel as smooth as Google Map, but it does give me a visual understanding of where I am connected to, as opposed to just seeing the name of the country and having to imagine where that country is located. Also, the pin will change to green color as confirmation for successful connection to that VPN server. There are different settings available for different OS. I'll be going over macOS, Windows, and iOS. Let's first look at the Mac version of the NordVPN app, and the version I'll be mostly focusing on in this video. The Mac version UI looks simple, and for the most part, it looks almost exactly the same as the Windows version, except for some settings such as presets and appearance, and settings that are only available on Windows. The presets available by default are download, speed, and browsing. Let's first look at download. The default VPN protocol is set to Nord links, and connected to is set to the recommended specialty server for P2P, which is great for people who want to use this for torrent. Further down, there's the setting for cybersec, and I found in most cases it's better to just leave it off. And just right below that, you'll see there's an option to add shortcut to an app or website. Let's move on to the preset for speed. Once again, you see here the VPN protocol is set to Nord links and connected to is recommended country. There's also the option again for cybersec, which is better just to leave it off. And there's also the same option to add shortcut to apps and website. And then for the preset for browsing, for the VPN protocol, it uses the recommended protocol. And for cybersec, you can turn it on, but some website may not work properly when it detects that you are blocking ads. And further down, you can see there is the option to add shortcuts to apps and website. And for the custom preset, is basically a blank template for you to create your own custom preset. The Windows version for the most part looks similar to the Mac version, but there are a few additional options such as split tunneling and invisibility on LAN, which appears to be only available on Windows. Kill switch option is visible for configuration in the Windows version, while on the Mac version it is enabled by default and is not visible to the user. Settings like obfuscated server can be located under the advanced section, while on the Mac version, it is enabled when OpenVPN protocol is selected, and you can select obfuscated server under the specialty server section. For the most part, the iOS UI is basic and suited for mobile user. You still get the map and the same setting as the macOS version. The only exclusive option I found that appears to be iOS and possibly on Android, but I'm not sure because I don't have an Android phone to confirm this, is the dark web monitor. It basically checks your email is not on some dark web database for sale. I could not find the option to enable dark web monitor in any of the other OS or on the web console interface, so I'm not sure how non-iOS user will be able to take advantage of this feature. Finally, if you use Siri shortcut, it is supported in this mobile app. Connection speed can be slow at times depending on the server location. And with over 5,400 servers worldwide, there's plenty of servers to choose from. And for those who don't want to select a server, you can just use the Quick Connect option, which does a really good job of connecting you to the best available server. I found in most cases I could access restricted content such as anime website like Anime Lab or Rakuten video site, which works to a certain extent. But for Amazon Prime Video, it was a challenge. Most of the time it detected my VPN and it blocked my VPN. And when my VPN worked, I could only access limited content available in other locations. So your mileage will vary depending on what content you are trying to access and using what kind of service. After using NordVPN for 30 days, my overall experience with the VPN service has been positive. What I really like about the VPN is simple interface, the map, the preset, and the different security options available such as split tunneling and dark web monitor. What I did not like are server hopping is time consuming, the lack of description for VPN protocol, and different settings for different OS such as preset for Mac and split tunneling is only available for Windows at this time, and dark web monitor is only available on iOS. While I can't say if using a VPN will completely protect my activity from being tracked, I definitely do notice less personalized ad while using NordVPN, so I assume that makes me less visible to advertiser. NordVPN has been compromised in the past, so there's no guarantee a VPN service will completely protect you. But I enjoy the product enough that I will be keeping my subscription with NordVPN. Let me know what you think about using VPN service below in the comments. That concludes my video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.